All right, so welcome to week 3. So first thing, as always, you will go to your module and start with looking at the overview and the objectives so you get an idea about what we are going to do this week. So let's do that. So if you click here, you will see a long list of things that we are going to do this week and the next week, kind of based on this unit. And we are going to be talking and listening about 21st century cities and about urban planning. Okay, so you will also listen to a lecture and learn to take notes, um, based on an outline method. And you will be also doing a presentation in week 4. And this time you'll be doing a presentation with someone else. So, what is it that you have to do before your Zoom class on Monday? Just 2 things. So, let me take you back to the modules so you know where to find these things. So, you go to week 3, so go all the way down, and you want to do first, go through the list of the vocabulary for this unit. So, these are the list of words. What I would like you to do is probably use a dictionary and try to find the meaning of these words so you understand these words first, and then we will try to do them in a context, and we will be doing some exercise based on this in the class. So it's important that you learn the meaning of these words before you come to class. Okay, so that's one. The other one is for you to use the book, and you will go to page 92, and I've also given you the questions right here. So think about these questions, 4 questions. How important is it to you to live in a big city? What do you like about the city where you live now? What do you don't like? What part of the city would you like to live in and why? And we are going to discuss this as a class. So think about it and try to write down the questions. Okay? And then you will listen to the conversation on page 104. So you can listen to this here or go to your lab, Pearson's lab, and listen to the audio there. And then try to answer the questions on page 104. That is, I think you will have to complete the statements and kind of bring your answer to the class. Okay, so only those 2 things, so not a whole lot, but that's what you will be doing. And in the Zoom class on Monday, we'll be doing a lot of vocabulary work, talking about the topic and so on and so forth, and also talking about taking notes on an outline method and so on. And then, of course, there'll be homework before our Thursday class. Then we'll be doing some of these on Thursday and homework again. So we will talk about that on Monday. But before Monday, just these 2 things. Okay? So I'll see you on Monday.